Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're working back out on the cabin. I'm going to show you what Chris got done when we weren't here. He got the floor finished up, he got the wall put in downstairs, so I'm going to show you that right now. So today's goal is we're going to actually start to install a couple windows downstairs, maybe finish off a wall if we have time, and sheathe up here on this one side wall. This wall over here behind me here, we're actually going to put plexiglass in, and it's going to be one big open huge wall of windows. So we're going to work on that right now, so let's do it. So Chris actually got this entire floor completely sheathed in right now. This is open over here underneath this foam that's going to be insulation in the ceiling. So all this is open to allow light from the windows to come down to go into the living room down below. This is completely sheathed in, all done, nice and sturdy. There's actually a wall dividing, holding up the center of these boards, the joists. Down below, we're going to show you that right now. All right, we're down here right now. This is going to be the living room area. We're going to put a window in right around this location here. There's going to be a spot to put an AC unit in up here, window. This will be the bathroom over here. The shower is going to go right here, possibly a toilet right here, and then a sink. So we'll probably put a window up behind the toilet right here. This is bedroom A right here. So we're going to put a window on the back wall right here. And over here is bedroom B. We're going to have a window right over here on this wall right there. So we got this window just set in place right now just to get a rough idea. So we're gonna have to finish nailing in up top here and along the bottom, along the edges to make sure the sheathing is nailed in nicey nice. And then we're gonna caulk around the entire window and get that window screwed into place. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for this video. As you can see, we got all 4 windows in the cabin 100% completely installed. We didn't get to sheathing the upstairs room, but as always, we never get to everything I say we're going to do in the beginning because it's super hot out, but we did get a lot done. All the windows are fully sheathed, sealed up, and functional. So maybe in the next video, we'll actually tackle sheathing that room up there. We've got to finish off some walls downstairs. We've got to put a header underneath the stairs so we can have a little nook underneath there. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Smash that big red subscribe button. Smash the notification icon down below so you know when I do post future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
The bank is claiming identity fraud, but I was still born in the same day. The battle internal, I led my brigade. Casualty stricken, a mother remains. Reminded by scarring that won't seem to fade. Daylight makes its way through the dark, but keep one eye